I'm Sungeeta Agrawal. I'm a pediatric endocrinologist at Atrium Health Levine Children's. I was originally born and raised in Massachusetts, and I moved to Charlotte in 2021. I'm married and we have 2 young daughters, and we also have 2 dogs and like to foster dogs as well. In our free time, we like to explore Charlotte, go to different restaurants, parks, attend sporting events. We are big Boston sports fans. I've wanted to be a pediatrician since as long as I can remember, and during residency, I volunteered at a diabetes camp. During that time, I learned how complex diabetes is and all the things that patients have to experience to manage their disease, and that is what made me pursue pediatric endocrinology. During a patient's visit, we try to address all of their concerns up front before we start the visit. Sometimes it helps for them to ask their questions because they come up with a list of them, and we can address everything that is worrying them before we get into the heart of the visit. My patient care philosophy is to treat the child as whole. I don't define them by their disease, but rather help them live a full, happy life and manage their disease accordingly. I try to find out what motivates them, whether it's sports, dancing, school, and make sure they're able to do whatever they want to do regardless of their disease. I often tell my families not to worry about achieving perfect numbers when they're trying to control their diabetes, but rather do something that makes it easy for them to enjoy their time as a child, as a family, and not worry about every little thing that they eat or every low or high blood sugar number. So our entire staff, including the front desk, the nurses, providers, phlebotomists, we all try to make the families comfortable, enjoy their time because going to the doctor isn't fun, and address any concerns they have. I love my job because I get to really know patients and their families. I get to see them grow. I get to be part of their journey, and their successes are my successes. And I also take to heart, when they're going through a hard time. It feels like I'm doing something meaningful.